Alright guys, welcome back. This is the day you guys have been waiting for. I feel sorry for you guys for the last video because I left you guys on a cliffhanger, but so I finished the wrap like in a day and a half, but because of work, it took me a week because I work a 9 to 5, so I would go home and then start wrapping it again. But most of it I did it like on my day off. So yeah, so before I show you guys the video, comment down below what you guys think the color is. So the wrap was only like $250. I always wanted to wrap my car myself. I feel like that's a really good experience to have, because now that I wrap my car, I can do it over and over again whenever I want. So that's like a plus for me. New setup every time when I want. But I encourage you guys, if you guys want to wrap your own car, I encourage you guys to wrap it. So like I said, lose that fear and just start experience it for yourself. You know, you're never gonna learn if you don't do it or try it out. So yeah, this is the wrap I chose.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here.
Fuck, let me know if you guys like this color. Shit, I do have another set of wheels that I'm gonna put on later on, but for now I like this look, so I'm gonna stick with this for a bit and then switch it up. Shit's fucking wet. So like this video if you guys like the wrap. Saying, you know.
Okay, you're good right there.
Recording? Mm-hmm. Alright, so one of the hardest parts of the wrap was literally the front bumper and the rear bumper. That's what took me most of the time. The fenders were like pretty easy because all you had to do was just lay the wrap and heat gun it and just
lay it down.
You just lay it down. I think it's called lacing it? Some shit like that. But the door was fucking easy on these trims. All you had to do is just pull them out and you're fucking good.
Whose man's?
Whose man's? You're going the wrong way, buddy. The side skirts were pretty easy too. I was gonna take them off originally because I was gonna buy some new ones, but I never bought them, so
I said fuck it.
I said fuck it, I'm gonna rock with these for a bit. And this shit was easy too. The only hard part was trying to tuck the wrap inside here. The rear bumper is like, I probably said it was hard because just the angle, that shit was hard. But that took most of my time. I don't want to fuck it up bad. I mean, it's fucked up, but not.
No,
really
fucked
bad.
up.
For my first time doing it, I don't think it's fucked up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you guys want to wrap your car, I encourage you guys, because it was only $250. Like, try it out, $250.
And then a day and a half.
And some labor, get some experience, and then once you get some experience, you can just fucking start wrapping your car whenever you want. That's like a plus sign. Damn, man. Shit is wet. Ooh. So don't sleep on this build, guys. So this shit's about to be fucking lit. Done is wrap. Oh fuck.
What? Done is wrap is done.
All right, so the wrap is done. So next is a tune. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed my wrap color that I chose. I always liked gray, so why not wrap my car gray? I know this video was kind of short, but you know, it was just a reveal, so hope you guys enjoyed it. And give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like my wrap color. And don't forget to subscribe, because I know a lot of you guys just watch the videos but don't subscribe but always come back. So just subscribe already. It helps me a lot. So see you guys in the next video.